How to make at-home bee spray. Many people fear bees because they are aware that bees can sting. Rightfully so, because bees are one of the insects most likely to cause medical problems. Bees often travel in colonies, which increases the risk of getting stung multiple times. An infection can occur, and if you are allergic to bees, their stings can be fatal. To combat this problem, arm yourself with a bee-repelling spray. Instead of purchasing commercial sprays, make your own spray right at home. Things you will need: bowl, spoon, spray bottle, 1/4 of an ounce lavender oil, 1/2 an ounce citronella oil, 1/8 of an ounce jojoba oil, 1/8 of an ounce tea tree oil, 1/8 of an ounce pennyroyal oil, 16 ounces vodka. Place 1/4 of an ounce lavender oil, 1/2 an ounce citronella oil, 1/8 of an ounce jojoba oil, 1/8 of an ounce tea tree oil and 1/8 of an ounce pennyroyal oil in a mixing bowl and stir the oils with a spoon to blend them together. Add 16 ounces vodka to the oils and stir the mixture thoroughly. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. If you see a bee in your home, shake the homemade bee repelling spray and spray it directly on the bee to kill it. Because this repellent doesn't contain harsh chemicals, it can safely be used around animals and children. Tips. Warnings. To make a bee repellent that you can use on your body, add 16 ounces almond oil to the mixture and leave out the vodka. Apply the oils to your skin before going outdoors.